Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make Indian Seekh Kebab. Okay, so now we got that chuck which we had bought from the store, and like I said, we are not getting the right consistency for the mincemeat, so I didn't want to bring the store-bought burger patties. So I'm just gonna get this. We cleaned out the chuck, and now we're gonna grind this thing to make our kebabs. Okay, so for this Indian Seekh Kebab, I've taken 1 pound of freshly ground beef. Okay, so to this I'm gonna add some garam masala powder. Garam masala powder gives a very good flavor, but see to it that it's just garam masala, not too much of cumin. Some coriander powder. I like my Seekh Kebab nice and spicy. So you can take fresh ginger. I've taken powdered ginger. Fresh garlic you can take. And I've taken powdered. You can take fresh onion, but remember, onion squeeze out all the juice, otherwise it becomes very kind of watery. And then of course sugar. So mix all this together. Now here I've taken cilantro and fresh chilies. I like the taste of chilies in my mouth. So all this, I'm gonna mix all this together first, all these powders. I like it nice and spicy, my Seekh Kebab. That is why you can see, if you want it milder, then you can always take it milder. Now to this, I'm gonna add my chilies here, freshly chopped, and then of course cilantro, lots of cilantro, it goes well with it. And then just mix it well and let it sit for half an hour or so. There you are. So if you're grilling it outside on a skewer in open flames, definitely put some eggs in it, because eggs is a good binding agent. Now I'm gonna grill this in the oven, so we don't need eggs or anything on the skewers. So I'll show you how to do it in the oven. Okay, so now this is the kebabs, they're ready, and they've been sitting down for half an hour. So this is how we're gonna probably grill that in the house itself on my grill pan. So it's easy instead of going outside today. So what you need to do is take it, roll it properly here, and if you need some water, always put some water, and then just roll it properly on this stick. You can also take bamboo sticks, but those bamboo sticks need to be soaked in water. Always at the end, just close this up so it doesn't fall off. And there you are. Just roll it properly. So do all of them. For 6 of them we got right here. Okay, so now our grill is nice and hot. Now, like I said, we are not going to grill this outside. We're going to put this right here on this and cook it this way. Cook it this way. Always have grill marks on it. There we go. So we got, oh my God, already you can smell the flavor of the garam masala and everything. And so let it cook on each side, and then you can flip it over after 3 minutes. Okay, so now we can just switch it over, move it around, same thing with this. can slowly cook this. You can lift it up with your hand if it is not that hot. And so this one, see, this is pretty much there. Roll it all the way to the end so it's cooked everything on all sides. Okay, so these are done. So gently pull them off here like this and serve them with some nice chopped onions and lemon juice, lemon slices. Voila, this is ready, your Seekh Kebabs, the Indian way. Okay guys, so this is amazing Seekh Kebab recipe and we're gonna taste this now. Oh my god, the spices are just right. You don't need to add anything extra to this. This is made out of beef, so if you want to make it with lamb or anything, you can mix lamb also in this. This is a very good recipe. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up to our channel, the Topper Chef channel, and also happy cooking.